Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to have Discord open while playing a game on iPhone. To use Discord while playing a game on your iPhone, you can take advantage of iOS multitasking capabilities. Here's how to do it. Open the Discord app on your iPhone, join the voice channel and the server you want by just tapping on the server. Then, tap on the voice channel, then confirm it by tapping Join Voice to stay connected to while gaming. Then tap Allow. Press the Home button or swipe up to exit Discord without disconnecting the voice chat. Open the game you want to play, then Discord will continue to run in the background, keeping the voice chat active. To check Discord while gaming, swipe down from the top right on Face ID iPhones to open the Control Center. Here, you will see the Discord notifications. Just tap on it to return to the app if you need to send messages or just the voice settings. This setup lets you stay connected on Discord for voice chat while keeping your game in full view on your iPhone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.